save money because it's going to cost you less to put it together and handle it in the field. You got a good shop and you got a lot of room, you can get real organized and there, need to go chop something up. Fittings missing, go get the fitting. Where's the job? I'm missing 10 fittings. Well, if you're putting it together, you know that it's there. We got a VA job right now. It's getting ready to start. And it's a prevailing wage job, meaning that the wages are typically more than your normal wage.
And they're more field too.
In the field, not shop. It's not shop. Don't get it. This is just on the job site.
So that would be a big
savings. So if we do most of the work in here, they don't have to spend the labor out there and pay that premium.